kids, today we're going to be talking about bar graphs. And I'm sure you're probably thinking, what is a bar graph? Well, a bar graph is a graph that uses bars, look at these bars, to show a picture of the data collected. And we know that all graphs have certain things that they need to have in them. One of them is a title. We need a title. A title of a graph tells me what this graph is going to be about. And then on this side, we have all of these numbers. We call this a scale. And over on this scale, we see numbers that are increasing by 2. It doesn't have to be 2. 2 made sense with my data, but I know that there's going to be times it can increase by 1, it can increase by 5, it can increase by 100. It just depends on the data that you have collected. And down here we can see, because it's about favorite colors, I can see all the different types of colors. I see blue, green, pink, orange, and these are the categories. So I'm seeing that these were the 4 choices that students got to vote on for their favorite color. And it just tells me down here that these were the types of colors. I like to label this part of my graph, and I like to label this part of my graph. Number of student votes, and then types of colors. It's important to always label our graphs. So now I have to look at this graph and I have to solve these tricky word problems, but they're not going to be so tricky because I'm going to show you some tricks. So now I'm looking and I'm saying, I can see that blue goes up to the 12. It's right exactly at the 12. So I want to write right above it the number 12. That's going to help me remember when I'm solving these word problems down low that I have already determined that this bar shows me that 12 people voted for blue. And now I have to look at green. Wait a second. It's not right at 6, but it's not quite at 8 yet. What is in between 6 and 8? What can be my answer for green? How many people voted for green? What do you think? Yeah, totally, 7. High five. All right, so I know that 7 people voted for green. Awesome. And now I'm looking at pink. So again, I'm gonna drag my finger just to be sure. Wow, the pink went right to 10. So I'm gonna write 10. And last but not least, orange. So I'm going and I'm dragging and wait a second, it's not at 6. Let me check 8. It's not at 8 either. Oh no, here's another one of the problems where it's in between numbers that they gave me. What number is between 6 and 8? Yeah, 7. I thought I was gonna trick you. Good job. So 7. Now I have my beautiful bar graph all labeled and I am ready to answer some questions. Can you help me? Awesome. All right, so now it says, what color received the most votes? And instead of having to go back and look through every single one, I can just look at the numbers that I wrote above each bar. And I know that what color received the most votes. Yeah, blue, awesome. And even if I didn't have these numbers above it, I can see that blue was the tallest. It was the biggest bar. So I'm gonna write blue. Now it says, what 2 colors received the same number of votes? Which 2 colors received the same? What do you think? Yeah, awesome, green and orange. Beautiful. Now this question asks, how many students voted for orange and blue combined? Whoa. I think I have to do a certain operation in this problem. So I have people for blue, I have 12 for blue, and I have 7 for orange, and I have to combine them. So I have a part and a part to make it a whole. What operation am I going to use if I am combining 2 parts? Yeah, addition. So I'm going to add 12, and I'm going to add that with 7. And now I'm thinking, 7 plus 2 equals, what does it equal? 9. 1 plus 0, 1. So I know that 19 students voted for orange and blue combined. Awesome job, friends. So remember, when we are using bar graphs, we're using graphs to show a picture of the data that is collected. And it's always important to label using our title, using our scale, and using the categories. Label all of those parts. And then I always like to label my bars too, just to help me when it comes to word problems down below. Good job, friends.